So I rented a scooter today, scooter booter. I have 3-day pass to the temples, and I got out into the countryside. I went to see the landmine museum, which was really pretty interesting. I looked on the map, Google Maps, for waterfalls near me, and I'm on my way 1.5 kilometers to find one. So I'm like right in the jungle of Cambodia, and it's always nice to get out to nature. It was about a 25-minute scooter booter ride. I always like to get on the scooters. You know, I'm in a pretty dense jungle and it's really quite humid. Weird thing, and there's some stagnant water parts, even though I'm climbing up to a waterfall. There's no mosquitoes. Like, I don't notice even in the evenings. This is like, I think it'd be covered in mosquitoes. I'd be swarmed right now, but yeah, there's no mosquitoes. There is mosquitoes in certain areas in Southeast Asia. I'm sure they don't spray for them, but yeah, it's like really dense forest that I'm in. I see the vines. I hear lots of strange noises. Birds, I'm assuming. I don't think there's any monkeys around. Might be. I seen them at the temple the other day though.